Do you want to convert your image into the video? Then watch this video till the end because I'm going to show you how you can do it free. Hey guys, my name is Vlad and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back and thank you so much for your support. In this simple tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can convert your image into a simple video. It will be free solution that you can try right now, today. And at the end, you will have your simple video that you can download on your computer and post it anywhere. If you're ready, then let's get started. To get started, simply open aistudio.google.com, then in the left menu select Generation Media, and then in the center select Video. Keep in mind it is a free version, that's why there is some limitation. So all you need to do, simply paste the image here and then write your prompt. You also can select the size of the output video and the model that you want to use. Unfortunately, right now in AI Studio available only Video 2. I'm going to upload the simple image from my computer, and then I'm going to write a simple prompt to convert the image into the video. You can provide details and instructions what do you want to see in the video, or you can write just simple prompt like convert the image into the video. And let's video do the job. Sometimes you will see this warning about limitation in the queue. So don't worry, just hit the run button again and again and again, and then at some point AI Studio will start the work. Of course, if you want to avoid this kind of thing, you can purchase Gemini Plus subscription, and then you don't have to use AI Studio to do these kind of things. But I recommend you to give it a shot first, try it in AI Studio, and if you're satisfied with the result, then you can purchase the Plus subscription. Okay, it seems everything is okay now, and we'll start the work on my task. It could take about a minute or so to get the final result, and then you can preview it inside the AI Studio, or you can download the video to your computer. And as you could see, this is my result, and it looks pretty good. Of course, there's some mistakes. We could use a prompt again to adjust certain details. And as I know, Via 3 model is much better than Via 2. So if you really need good quality result, you probably need to use better model. Okay, let me try to improve the video. I will ask model to add the airplane into my video. And let's see if it can do that. Again, I face some limitations, so I have to hit the run button multiple times. It's actually not that long. I think 3-4 times you have to click run button and then Vio will start do the job. But like I said, if it's annoying you, you can definitely try it inside the Gemini. But you would need to have Plus subscription. Okay, and here we go. This is my another result. I request the airplane and I get one. Of course, it's not super perfect, but if you need a simple convert and you need free version, then it's definitely the place to go. So give it a shot and share with me your feedback and comments below. And that's it. If you like this video, please click like. If you don't like this video, it's okay. You can click dislike and share with me your feedback and comments below. If you want more video like this, simple videos without a lot of technical details, please let me know in the comments below. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe. And I hope to see you in my next videos. Bye.